So, hello again. Here we are on the same spot as we were 2 weeks ago. As you remember, last time we were digging the potato. After I digged out the potato, on the same place I put some vegetables. So just after 2 weeks, these vegetables started going out from the soil. And I will show you now. These are the green beans. And they are already rising up from the surface. Here on very close part I put the carrot. Carrot. This part I put the cucumber. As I promised you, I will make a video about cucumber. You can see how leaves of new cucumber are going out from the soil. All of this happened just in 2 weeks. But what I want to show you today is one more thing. As we all know, if you want to have vegetables, you need water, and you need just amount of the water that is sufficient for the vegetables. So what I did, I put here drop by drop plastic tubes in this part where the green beans are. Another one I put there for the carrot, and it is going down all down to the cucumber. So this video is about watering the vegetables, and that watering should be not less than it is supposed to be, and not too much, because if you don't have water, these vegetables will not grow up. Also, if you have more water than you need, then the bacteria and all other parasites will develop and they will eat your vegetables. With hose, whatever you call it, and I will connect it with the source of the water. So here we have few items that we will need for autonomous watering. The main part here is this electric valve. This valve will stop the water or will open this plastic tube to have watering. We will connect this with the source of, I forgot, this is 12 volts. This is a 12 volts valve. Why is that important? If you have electricity outside in the field, it's very important that electricity cannot kill you. 220 volts or 110 volts are dangerous for the human beings. So if you have electricity anywhere around the house, you have to reduce that using transformer from 220 or 110 down to, in this example, it is 12 volts. So we have electrical transformer that reduces the voltage to 12 volts. We have electrical valve that is operating at 12 volts, and we have here a timer. timer is here also crucial part, because we will connect the timer. Timer should be somewhere in closed position, not be under the rain in the open area. So you put it somewhere in cellar or in some plastic box on the wall, and we will connect this timer to 220 volts, and we will connect this transformer to the timer, and from the transformer we will connect this electrical valve. Electrical valve we will connect to the hose, and we will see how watering is going on. Here we have two types of timers. This one has a range, they are all 24 hours, but this one, when it opens the electrical valve, minimum is for 30 minutes. Sometimes you don't need 30 minutes of watering. This one is much better because this one has ranges of 15 minutes. So here you can put 15 minutes watering, 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours not watering, then again 15 minutes watering, etc., etc. Here you can put only 30 minutes for the period, minimum period of opening this valve. How it looks like, we connect here this, then we connect here this part, and after that we connect here on 220 volts, and we will have here, just to check, can we hear any click? I don't hear any click, but we will check it whether it works with water. Yeah. Why don't we hear any clicks? Because now it is adjusted to be open. I will adjust it to be closed. Now you see the light. Now it gives a signal, and you hear it. I will put my mic very close. Now you hear that electrical valve is working. Just I will cut off this, and I need some time to connect all of these things, and we'll see how it works. Now we are going to check up whether it works just on this part from the pipe. We are checking the valve. In this part we will just show, you never put 220 volts before adjusting all the circuits, so you have to adjust complete circuit, and just after that you will put on 220 volts. So we have connected the transformer to the valve. It is on at this position, and we will connect it to the 220 volts.
think everything is now adjusted, and I will connect to 220 volts. You see water coming. I open the circuit, water has stopped. I connect, water is coming, I disconnect. So everything is connected. You see the water is going down. Follow. We will just follow the hose, and we are going to the place where we expect the water will start. Here I have bad connection because dropping of the water from the hose. So it was all for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this, and if you follow this hose, we'll see that it's now full of water and it goes just above the cucumber. I have a problem with the cat. It wants to check everything, just looking for the food. The same purpose of this video is food, but human beings try to make a food from the nature the same as a cat. There is no big difference. So I have shown you in this video that using a timer we can use our limited sources of water in a sufficient way, and we will provide water to the vegetables which they need to be healthy and to grow up. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.